Hello. Ngayon ba nga alaw ka tayo amin na nagdaditoy especially to our parents, guardians, lolas, lolos nang nangro na gito'y moving up. Ngayon nangro na kayo tagay teacher nga dola. Ma'am Clary kung Ma'am Nobi. Kasi maibagat, ada tayo nga ada dito nga piring, lolas, lolos, dan ito yung guardian si moving up nga bing na mabalbalin. Ano sang tayo kumang ituloy nga mangipa-espila yung bing tayo. Kaya sumot lang nga nirugyan yun. At mabalbalin, mapandamanon ti kindergarten. Tatno adamanon ti anak yawa sumarsarunong dita. Lumabalik. Inlog yung manon dito yung dikir. Tadamanon ti isunartin na dito yung dikir hulkan sayo. At lumabalbalin, datayong parent, isimpat tayo nga mag-ipa-espila na anak tayo, tano dumakil na, isura mat limang bantay ka na tayo. Na tayo lumalakay tayo, bumabakit tayo. So nga, na kayo nga parents nga nakadwa nila. Ano sa niyo nga itulog-tulog kay anak nyo, ito dikir center tayo, at sapay ko at lumabalbalin, itultuloy yun. Tapno na ito'y kuping, masuruan ng gusto, talo ang kinder ka, handa nga agbabayin ko ma. Sa masansanay ka nga, may lap-lapok, dito'y dadumang kuping. Sa diferensya nga talaga siya, kukulong at paisot si anak na. Kung ano, mabalbalin, dahil siya ramidon tayo, ano saan tayo nga pag-iskilaan si dikir dagay anak tayo, manen, at pasalamat at tayo ag-moving up, dahil ito'y parents, congratulations para tayo amin. Thank you, God bless.
Thank you, Tulong Barangay Renato for the wonderful and inspirational message for our students. Now, to present the children of the Southern One to be recognized, let us welcome Miss Tommy and for the Southern One.
Good morning, dear parents, guardians, to our supervisor, Ma'am Ellen, and barangay officials. Today we are celebrating not just a milestone of the children, but a magical memory made during this foundation years of learning and growth. It's my honor to present to you a 21 girls and a 31 boys from the Toganuan Child Development Center who are completed the early childhood care for school year 2024 and 2025. And for the Toganuan Child Development Center, I present to you 18 females and 15 males in a total of 33 daycare children. On behalf of our City Social Welfare and Development Officer, Ms. Liza Bulayungan, and by the authority vested in me, requirements of the early childhood care and development program, I hereby confirm the total of 84 ECCD program completers of the Togan 1 and the Togan 2 Child Development Centers. To the parents and our learners, congratulations po sa inyo lahat. Thank you, Ma'am. For the awarding of certificates for daycare children and parents, let us call on Ms. Novi Ereño, Ms. Claribel Baldino, as well as Ellen G. Williams, our CSWDO Social Work Officer 4, as well as the Supervisor